Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do some lip swatches from Ilia Beauty. So I kind of got this sampler of their new Balmy Tint Hydrating Lip Balm. Actually, I'm not sure if it's new. If it's new, I'll put it up here. But basically, it has all of their 8 shades, and I thought, why not do swatches for you guys? I got it all numbered so that I can show you guys exactly the names of each colors, but basically I'm going to swatch them for you and tell you a little bit more about the Balmy lip tint. Now, first impressions, it's been really good, and that's why I wanted to do a video, because this is one of the best lip tints that I've encountered, and I've tried quite a few. I'm so excited to tell you guys more about it, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so the Ilia Balmy Lip Tint is considered clean at Sephora. It contains 8 shades and it has a natural finish. So the first shade that I'm trying on is called Hold Me, and it's described as a warm peachy nude. I don't know, what do you guys think? It doesn't look warm peachy on me, but it's more like a mauve or cool tone pink. Shade number 2 is called Heartbeats, and it's described as a warm red. Ooh, really loving this one. I think this is one of my faves, guys. Stay tuned because I will mention to you at the end of this video my top 2 favorite colors. Shade number 3 is called Memoir, and it's described as a neutral mauve. You know what I love about this lip tint is that it's buildable. So you can start with a sheer finish and build up to a very opaque color. The next shade is called Lady, and it's described as a neutral cranberry. The next shade is called Wanderlust, and it's described as a cool berry. By the way guys, some of the key ingredients in this lip balm is rosehip seed oil and shea butter, all moisturizing and hydrating ingredients. The next shade is called Runaway, and it's described as a neutral pink nude. The next shade is called Faded, and it's described as a neutral cocoa brown. So this shade definitely has a very strong brown undertone. The very last shade is called Lullaby, and it's described as a cool rose pink. Alright guys, I don't know what this post was about, but maybe I'm having a hard time deciding my top 2 favorites. But for me, my most favorite has to be Heartbeats and Memoir. I think they have the most opacity on the lips, and I love the shade of color. That is it guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what is your favorite shade among the 8 Comment it down below, and I gotta say, I'm not a fan of lip balms, but this is definitely Terry's Corner approved. Bye guys, and I'll see you back in my corner soon.